How to get started writing in Medium. Hey everyone! Today we're diving into how to get started with writing on Medium. Medium is a great platform for sharing your ideas, building an audience, and even earning some income from your writing. Today, I'll walk you through everything you need from setting up your profile to publishing your first story. So, let's get started. Step 1: Creating your Medium account. Go to medium.com and click Get Started or Sign In at the top right. You can sign up with Google, Facebook, or your email. Once you're signed in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Settings. Here, you can add a profile picture, bio, and a link to any personal websites or social profiles. Your bio and photo are the first things readers see, so make it personal and authentic. Step 2: Familiarizing yourself with the Medium interface. Dashboard Overview. In Medium's homepage, you'll see trending articles and topics. Click on your stories to access drafts and published stories. This section is where you'll create new articles, save drafts, and track your published content. Explore popular tags and topics. Browse tags related to your interests or writing goals. Click on Explore and find tags like tech, self improvement, writing, etc. Following tags helps you stay updated on topics in your niche and gives you inspiration for your own writing. Step 3: Drafting your first story. Click on Write a Story or simply go to your stories and click New Story. This opens a blank editor where you can start writing. Begin with a compelling title. It's what will draw readers in. Under the title, add a subtitle that gives a brief idea on your article's content. Keep it intriguing but clear so readers know what to expect. Medium's editor is user friendly. Just start typing and you'll see formatting options as you go. You can use bold, italics, and even add links. Medium also has handy tools to insert headings, lists, and block codes. So make use of these to break up your content and improve readability. Step 4: Formatting your story. Headers are essential for making your story easy to navigate. Break up sections with H1 or H2 headers, especially if your article is longer. Use headers to guide readers through each main idea. Adding images. Click the plus icon in the editor to insert images. Medium allows you to upload images or use Unsplash for free stock images. Choose visuals that enhance your story and make it more engaging. Embedding links and media. You can also embed videos, tweets, or other media to add depth to your story. Just paste the link and Medium will automatically format it into your article. For example, if you're writing about a concept from a video, embedding the video can be a helpful reference for readers. Step 5: SEO and Publishing Strategy. When you're ready to publish, Add up to 5 relevant tags. Tags improve your article's reach by showing it to readers who follow those tags. Make sure these tags are closely related to your content, like relationships, love, poems, happiness, and peace. Selecting a featured image. Medium automatically takes the first image in your article as a thumbnail, but you can select a specific one by clicking Customize Preview. Choose an image that grabs attention and represents your story's theme. Click on Preview to see how your article will look to readers. Check for any formatting issues or typos before you hit Publish. Step 6. Publishing and promoting your story. Click Publish now once you are satisfied. You'll have an option to send your story to your followers and publish it in relevant publications if accepted. Publications on Medium have larger followings, so getting published can increase your visibility. Research and apply to publications within your niche. Each publication has its own requirements, so make sure to follow their submission guidelines. Share your story on social media platforms and with any online communities you're part of. Networking with other Medium writers can also help. Leaving thoughtful comments on their stories can encourage them to check out your content. Step 7. Earning money on Medium. To earn money, join the Medium Partner Program. Go to Settings and look for the option to apply. You will need a Stripe account to receive payments. Medium pays based on reading time from paying members, so the longer someone reads your story, the more you earn. Quality content with engaging stories tend to perform better, so focus on writing valuable articles. After you're accepted, you can track your earnings in your Medium dashboard. Remember, earnings grow as you build a following, so consistency is key. Step 8. Tracking your performance and improving. Medium offers analytics for each story. Click on stats in your profile to see how many views, reads, and claps your stories receive. This can help you understand which topics resonate with your audience. Pay attention to comments and claps on your articles. Engage with readers who leave feedback and consider incorporating their ideas in future posts. Building an audience in Medium is all about interaction and connection. Here are some additional tips for success. Be consistent with your writing. The more you write, the more opportunities you have to reach readers. Aim to post regularly, whether that's once a week or a few times a month. If you're new, try writing about different topics to see what platforms or what performs best. Over time, you'll find your niche and understand what your audience enjoys. Third, learn from top writers on Medium. Follow top writers in your genre and read their stories. Observing how they Observing how they structure their articles, use images, and interact with the readers can offer valuable insights for your own growth. And there you have it, a complete guide to getting started with writing on Medium. And with these steps, you can start sharing your ideas, building a readership, and even earning money from your stories. Thanks for watching and happy writing!